and welcome back to the English Master Channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Asadullah. Today, we are going to talk about a habit that is killing your English fluency.
A habit? Not grammar? Not vocabulary?
No, a habit. A secret, sneaky, invisible habit that you do every single day without even realizing it.
What is it, Asadullah?
You hear a question in English. Your brain grabs it, translates it into your native language, thinks of an answer, translates that back into English, and then you speak.
Oh, the mental translation loop.
Yes, and it takes time, energy, confidence. By the time you finish translating, the conversation has moved on.
That is so true. And it feels exhausting.
Today, we are going to stop that habit. For good.
Really? Is that even possible?
It is not only possible, it is simple. Not easy, but simple.
What is the secret?
You need to build a direct pipeline from the English word you hear to a picture to your mouth. No translation. No middle language.
Pipeline. I like that.
Think of your brain as two cities. City A is your native language. City B is English. Right now, there is a long, bumpy road between them. Every word has to travel.
And traveling takes time.
Yes. But what if you built a high-speed train? Or better, a direct bridge?
That is what you are teaching us today.
Exactly. Today, you will learn how to think directly in English. You will learn to see the apple, not the word for apple in your language.
I am so ready for this. Let's start.
Sarah, let me ask you a question. When you learned English as a child, did you translate?
No, I just learned. The teacher pointed to an apple and said, "Apple." My brain saw the red fruit and attached the sound, apple, to it.
That is called direct association. No translation. Just object to English word.
So why do adults translate?
Because adults are smart and also impatient. We want to understand everything fast. So we use our native language as a crutch.
A crutch, meaning something we lean on.
Yes. The problem is, the crutch becomes a cage. You lean on it so much, you forget how to walk without it.
So how do we break the crutch?
We start with one word, one picture, one direct connection.
Let's try. Say a simple word.
Dog.
I see a furry animal with a tail.
Did you translate dog into your language first?
No, I saw the animal.
Perfect. That is direct thinking. Now, let's do it with a sentence. The first technique is called think in pictures.
Pictures.
Yes. Close your eyes for a second. I will say a sentence. You try to see the movie in your mind.
Okay. Eyes closed.
The cat is sleeping on the warm sofa.
I see a gray cat, curled up on a soft brown sofa. Sunlight is coming through the window.
Did you translate any word?
No, I just saw the scene.
Now, describe that scene in English. Out loud.
The cat is gray. It is sleeping. The sofa is brown and warm.
You just spoke English without translating, because you started with a picture.
That felt natural.
Because it is natural. Your brain thinks in images, emotions, and sensations, not in languages. Language is just the second step.
So, when I want to speak, I should first paint a picture in my mind.
Yes, and then describe the picture. The words will come because they are attached to the image. Technique number 2, label your world.
What does that mean?
Walk around your home. Look at every object and say its name in English. Out loud.
Like door, window, chair, lamp?
Yes. But here is the rule. You are not allowed to translate. If you see a door, You do not think of the word in your language. You just see the door and say door.
That sounds easy.
It is easy. But here is the challenge. Do this every day for 5 minutes. Your brain will start building that direct pipeline.
What about abstract things? Like love or freedom? I can't see them.
Great question. For abstract words, you use a feeling or a memory. Close your eyes. Think of a time you felt love. See that moment. Then say love.
I see my mother hugging me. Love.
Dot. Now say it. You just attach the word to a feeling. That is even stronger than a picture. Technique number 3. Sentence starters.
We talked about these before.
Yes, but now with a twist. The starter gives you no time to translate. You must speak immediately.
How does that work?
I will say a starter. You finish it in under 3 seconds. No thinking. Just speak.
Okay. Challenge accepted.
The best thing about mornings is...
The best thing about mornings is the quiet coffee.
Good. No translation?
No time.
That is the point. When you force speed, your brain has no choice but to think directly in English.
Try another.
If I had $1 million, I would...
If I had $1 million, I would travel the world.
Perfect. You are training your brain to respond, not to translate. Technique number 4. Shadowing with a delay.
What is that?
Normal shadowing is repeating a sentence immediately. That is good for pronunciation. But for stopping translation, we add a 1-second delay.
So I listen. Wait 1 second. Then repeat.
Yes. That 1 second forces your brain to hold the English sound without translating it.
Let me try. Say a sentence.
The sun rises every morning.
The sun rises every morning.
Did you translate?
No, I just echoed the sound.
That is the magic. You are training your ear and your mouth to work together, bypassing your native language completely. Sarah, I know people will make mistakes. Let's fix them in the mistake lab.
Okay. Mistake number 1?
Direct word forward translation .I. For example, in some languages you say, I have 25 years. In English it is, I am 25 years old.
The fix?
Memorize whole phrases, not individual words. I am years old is a chunk. You don't translate it. You just use it.
Mistake number 2?
Pausing before every word. The speaker says, how was your weekend? And you freeze because you are translating weekend.
Fix.
Listen for the intention, not the words. The person wants to know if you had a good time. Answer with a feeling, it was great. Very relaxing.
Mistake number 3?
Thinking about grammar rules while speaking. Is it go or went? Oh no.
I do that all the time.
Fix. Speak first. Worry about grammar second, I tell you. Most mistakes are still understandable. And understanding is the goal.
The mistake lab is officially closed.
Sarah, what is the 1 sentence we should remember from today?
The golden sentence. Repeat after me. The fastest way to speak English is to stop translating and start seeing.
The fastest way to speak English is to stop translating and start seeing.
One more time.
The fastest way to speak English is to stop translating and start seeing.
Now, the 7-day no translation challenge.
What do I do?
Every day for 7 days. Do 3 things.
Only 3?
Yes. 1. Label 10 objects in your home in English without translating. Point and say. 2. Shadow 1 sentence with a 1-second delay. 3. Describe a picture from a magazine or your phone in English without preparing.
That is 10 minutes a day.
After 7 days, you will notice. You will catch yourself thinking in English. For a moment. Just a moment. And that moment will give you hope.
I'm doing this. Starting tomorrow.
Before we finish, let's review the key words from today. Repeat after me.
Direct association, linking a word directly to an image or feeling, not to a translation. Example, direct association is the foundation of fluency. Repeat, direct association, direct association.
Pipeline, a direct path. Example, I built a pipeline from English sounds to my mouth. Repeat, pipeline, pipeline.
Crutch, something you lean on too much. Example, translation becomes a crutch that weakens your fluency. Repeat, crutch, crutch.
Chunk, a group of words that are learned together. Example, instead of how are you, learn the chunk, how are you? Repeat, chunk, chunk.
Intention, the meaning or purpose behind words. Example, listen for the intention, not every single word. Repeat, intention, intention.
Great job! These words will help you talk about your learning journey.
So there you have it, the only method you need to stop translating in your head.
You learned why translation is slow, how to think in pictures, how to label your world, how to use sentence starters, and how to shadow with a delay.
You learned the mistake lab traps and the golden sentence to remember.
And now, you have the 7-day no translation challenge.
Your brain is a muscle. Every time you stop yourself from translating, you make that muscle stronger.
And one day, very soon, you will open your mouth and English will just come.
That is fluency. That is freedom.
If this episode helped you, please give it a huge like, share it with a friend who also translates, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments, what is the first picture you will describe in English?
We read every single comment. Your progress inspires us.
Now go, label your door. See your cat. Speak your truth.
And remember, stop translating. Start living in English. Bye for now.
Bye for now.